To give your space a new look, the fastest and easiest way is to use self-adhesive peel and stick wallpaper. So I got this wallpaper from Amazon. Let me show it to you up close. It is wood grain shiplap, and it is like white grayish. It has a very good texture, and also it has a very good thickness. And on the back of the wallpaper, it has marks so that you can cut it easily. And the good thing about this wallpaper is that if you put it in the wrong way, you can just peel it and re-put it, and this makes it really versatile. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put it here on top of this brick wallpaper just to give a new look to my YouTube studio and also to brighten it. So I'm gonna show you how to put it now. Step one is to make sure that the surface where you want to put the wallpaper is clean from any dust or any other things. Step two is to measure the length of the wallpaper so that you can cut it to the specified length. So here I measured it and it is 233 centimeters. And by the way, this wallpaper is 45 centimeters wide and 10 meters long, but it comes also in other lengths. Step 3 is to cut the wallpaper at the length you want. So here I need 4 sheets of wallpaper, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm gonna cut 4 sheets of 233 centimeters each. And measuring is very easy because there are lines and there are also the numbers on the back of the wallpaper. And cutting the wallpaper is also very easy because there are lines. So all you have to do is to identify the line and cut it straight to the line with your scissors. You can also use a cutter. So this is the first sheet. Let me show you now how to install it. So notice the printing on the paper, and it has here a small side. So the small side should be on the extremity so that you can align it afterwards. So I'm gonna install it like this, and all you have to do is to peel first a little bit of the wallpaper here, and also you need a ruler so that you can push on the wallpaper while you are putting it on the surface. So you have to peel a little bit of the wallpaper on the top and then position carefully the wallpaper where you want to put it. But as I said, because you can remove and re-put it, it's not a big deal if you get it wrong. And now with the ruler, you can push down on it like this. Make sure there are no bubbles. And while you're pushing it down, push down also the back of the wallpaper so that you can remove it like this. So this is the first piece installed. I'm gonna install the second piece now. And I want to make sure that the prints align. Now I installed these two here, and I'm going to install the third one, and I'm going to reposition it because it's not well aligned. By the way, if you want to check out this wallpaper, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And here's the final result. And I think that it really looks very nice. So let me know in the comment section if you like it or no. And if you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you on the next video.